repair this small part of my bumper. It's the F Sport lip, and I hit a sidewalk, well, kind of clipped the sidewalk a couple months ago, and I just never fixed it. This is what we're fixing today. Yep. So I bought this piece from the Lexus dealership. I'll leave the part number. I literally picked it up from my local dealership, and it wasn't too expensive. I think I paid like $160, $170 for this. So yeah, we're gonna take this off. I think there's just like 2 screws at the bottom, and then the rest of them are just like those clips that you know, kind of just pull out, like pry them out. So we're gonna try to do that. I know it's not that bad, like it's really not that bad, but I don't know, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, and like my bumper has been like the main issue with my car. So hopefully I can get it together today, make it look a little better. We're gonna get this off, and then yeah, we're gonna see what we looking like. Alright, so I got the old one off, and so I guess if you just had a non-F Sport model, just a regular base model, you technically could just take your bezel right here off, because it's just a normal bumper under here. And you could get one of these. I really fucked that up. You can get one of these and you will look like an F Sport. You know, just my thought. If I had this bumper just like this, I would definitely upgrade it. I got the new one on, 10 times better. I love it. Finally have a clean bumper again. Color was exact. It came painted from the Lexus dealership, and I haven't even put the clips on there yet, and it's already nice and stable in there. So I'm gonna get them clips in there, and then we're gonna see if it fits a little better. It's just like a little gap right there, but I think once I put the clips on, it's gonna be a lot better. So let's see.